Advanced Dry Carpet Care has been going since 1983, locally owned, independently operated. We provide safe and effective cleaning for carpet, area rugs, upholstery, tile and grout.
Dave, the owner, has been very accommodating, and whatever has been needed to be cleaned up, whether spots or whatever it is, he's done a very good job, and we're happy with it, and we've had him back a number of times. One of the things that I like is the fact that it's not using a lot of water, so that the carpets are not real wet and the products are green. So that's a real positive thing for us.
We have found cleaning solutions that we can use that don't harm pets, children, people with allergies and asthma, or the environment. We do also specialize in cleaning Persian rugs, Oriental rugs, area rugs, especially that are made of natural fibers like wool, sisal, jute. Our cleaning is safe, it doesn't harm the rug, and colors don't run, and it's dry immediately after we're done, so you can use it right away. If you're ready to get your carpet and area rugs, upholstery, tile and grout cleaned, give us a call, text, or email and get a free quote. We do offer occasional discounts. Check the website for the deal of the month, and offer senior citizen discounts too, so mention that.